Ay, 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 Saint-Greffier. Ay, 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 Colingo. Antiame.
Jane Goodall was born in London, England, in 1934. On her second birthday, Jane's father bought her a beautiful lifelike toy chimpanzee named Jubilee. She loved the present very much, and to this day Jubilee sits on a chair in her home in England. Jane's favourite books as a child were the Jungle Book and the Tarzan books. By the age of 10 or 11, Jane dreamed of going to Africa to live with animals. Jane was determined to travel to Africa and live out her childhood dream. She attended secretarial school and then got a job with a documentary film company in England until she was invited to Kenya by a school friend. She worked as a waitress to save money for the fare. Jane made the trip to Kenya by boat at the age of 23. It was there that Dr. Louis Leakey, the famous anthropologist, hired her as his assistant. In the summer of 1960, 26-year-old Jane arrived on the shore of Lake Tanganyika in East Africa to study the area's chimpanzee population. At first, the chimps ran away whenever they saw her, but she kept on watching them from a distance with binoculars, and gradually the chimps allowed her closer. One day in October 1960, she saw two chimps strip leaves off twigs to make tools for fishing insects from their nest. Scientists thought humans were the only species to make tools, but Jane gave evidence to the contrary. On hearing of Jane's observation, her mentor, Louis Leakey, said, "Now we must rethink tool, redefine man, or accept chimpanzees as humans." In 1977, Jane founded the Jane Goodall Institute, which carries out programs to conserve the forests and save animal populations. Today, she travels more than 300 days a year talking to audiences, asking them to help animals and the environment.